Hey guys, welcome back to another real life video. See, I'll be showing you is my real life, all my cars, Hot Wheels, diecast, everything. So yeah, let's get started. I still got the Porsche 92 Spiderwhip with Savage package, police car, Dodge from Gotham City, Pagani Harrier, Honda, Japanese racing car, F1 car, Tesla, Mercury, Jeep, something car, another Porsche 92 Spider original version. Yeah, this one's Porsche Carrera GT, Jeep. It's a Jeep. Tokyo Drift, and what's the name? We got some Tokyo Drift in action.
Yeah, baby.
This one's a Mazda RX-7 FD. This one GTR equals Porsche 911. Hold on. Porsche 911 934 RSR Tesla Model X. This one's 69 something. Hold on. 65 Impala. Oh. Be right back. Another Gotham City police car, BMW, California Police Department, Dodge, Cadillac, the new 2018 McLaren Senna. I just found this entire car, I don't know. Now moving on to the 1 to 32 cars. We got Sport, MR2, today MR2 Sport. Nissan GTR from Fast and Furious. 3 Motors like him from Fast and Furious. Toyota Supra from Fast and Furious. Supra! I'm getting Centenario. Porsche 911 993. BMW M3. Porsche Carrera. Oh, these three are the 19 136. Moving on to the McLaren P1. Are you alright? Mercedes-Benz, now we had bigger cars. Mercedes-Benz, Tesla, McLaren. This one looks like Razor's Mustang, but blue. Stripes on the side. But yeah, Mustang. Ford Mustang GT. Ford Mustang GT 500. Not 500. Ford Mustang GT. Porsche 918 Spider. Ferrari FX6K. So, this one's now we're in the one. Oh, these are the 1 to 25, 24, 26, I think. These are the 1 to 18 cars now. Hummer H1 Alpha and Jaguar S-Type. So yeah, that's the end of the video. So all my cars. By the way, has 136 cars are pullback cars. Like this. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Leave a like. Tell me which car is your favorite in the comments. And yeah.